In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change Opera browser app theme mode. Opera browser allows you to change the mode either to light mode or even dark mode. To do this, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to do this, open your Opera app and from here, head down to your profile icon. As you can see, I'm currently on the light mode, and to change this, I'll just tap on the profile icon here. And here you should see we have an option to switch between light and night mode by just tapping on this, and you can see I've activated the night mode. Here you can adjust the color temperature as you wish. You can also adjust the dimming as you wish. You can also even dim the keyboard if you wish. However, if you wish to disable this night mode, just toggle off and this will go back to your previous mode. Now that is the first method. In the second method, just come here, and if you don't see this, then you should see a settings gear here. Tap on it and this will take you to night mode. You can see currently it is disabled. If you want to enable it, just toggle it on here and you'll have enabled it. If you tap on it, you'll get access to further settings just as we did previously, and you can make your adjustment as you wish. You can even schedule this mode as you wish here. So that's how you can enable or disable your theme color on Opera browser on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.